Hello students, how are you all? Yesterday I just explained you about what is money and what was the barter system. Barter system was there in the olden days, but it was totally dependent on double coincidence of bonds. But when the money was issued, when the money was started, this double coincidence of bonds or barter system was finished. Now you can go to the market and with the help of the money you can buy anything. Now the question is that people have got the money today in today's life. There are many people who earn the money, who get the salary every month. Understand? Now what they do with the salary? They just use a particular amount, and after that the rest of the amount they don't use. Now the question is what they do with the money. It is not safe to keep the rest of the money in the at home. So what they do? The people deposit that money with the bank. Understand? The people deposit that money with the banks. Now the question is that why people deposit with banks? People deposit with the banks by opening a bank account in their name. How they do? They just open a bank account in their name and deposit the money in the bank. Bank accept the deposits and also pay an amount as interest on the deposit. Means if you are depositing, यानी कि अगर आप अपना पैसा जमा कर रहे हैं बैंक में, तो on that you get the interest also. In this way, people's money is saved with the bank and it earns an amount as interest also. Means if you are depositing the money in the bank, your money is safe, plus you also get the interest on that. Now the second part is demand deposits. What is the meaning of demand deposits? People deposit the money in the bank, the extra money. Now it is not that daily you have to just daily you just go to the bank and withdraw the money. Understand? Whenever you require, is it clear? You just go to the bank and withdraw the money. People also have the provision to withdraw the money as and when they require. Means it is there with this provision is there in the bank, that whenever you require the money you can go and withdraw it. Now since the deposit in the bank account can be withdrawn on demand, means whatever money you have deposited in the bank, you can take it out or you can withdraw it on demand. This is also called demand deposit. यानी कि जो आपने डिपॉजिट किया है उसको आप डिमांड पर निकाल सकते हैं, तो इट इज कॉल्ड डिमांड डिपॉजिट. डिमांड डिपॉजिट्स share the most important feature of money. This demand deposit share the important feature of money. Apart from that, the facility of checks against demand deposit make it possible to directly settle payments without the use of cash. These days the checks are very common. Checks make it possible to directly settle the payment without the use of money. Means you are giving the money but not in cash. You are giving the check. आप चेक देकर अपना पेमेंट तो कर रहे हैं, but you are not giving the cash. Now the question is, what is check? A check is a paper instructing the bank to pay a specific amount from the person's account. Mean अगर मेरा account है तो from my account with the help of the check you can give the money to the name of that person whose name is written on the check. Means if you are giving money to other person, you just write the name on the check, account number and the amount, and after that the bank will give that amount with the help of the check to that person in whose name the check has been written. This is called check. Apart from that, now what the bank do with that deposit? People are depositing the money in the bank. What the bank do with that money? Banks charge a higher interest. Banks provide loans. Banks make use of the deposit to meet the loan requirements of the people. Whatever money you have given to the banks, they use that money to give loan to the needy people. Banks just keep 15% ऑफ द डिपॉजिट एज कैश. यानी कि जो आपने डिपॉजिट किया है बैंक में उसका 15% वो बैंक में रखते हैं. वो 15% क्यों रखते हैं? So whenever you require, you can just go and withdraw the money, and the rest of the money is given to the people as the loan. Bank make use of the deposit to meet the loan requirements of the people. In this way, banks act as a mediator. यानी कि जो बीच में होता है दो लोगों के बीच में, दैट इज कॉल्ड द मीडिएटर, जो दो लोगों के बात को सॉल्व करता है. तो बैंक एक्ट एज अ मीडिएटर बिटवीन द डिपॉजिटर एंड द बोरोवर. मीन्स द मनी दैट यू हैव डिपॉजिटेड, they use that money to give to the borrowers. So they bank act as a mediator between the depositor and the borrower. Bank charge a higher rate of interest on loans. What they offer on deposit means when you are depositing the money, they are giving you interest on that. But when a loan is given to a person, they charge more interest on that. Now why they charge an interest? Because that interest is the main source of income of the banks. यानी कि जो इंटरेस्ट वो चार्ज कर रहे हैं वही उनका मेन सोर्स है इनकम का. सो दीज आर द लोन एक्टिविटीज ऑफ बैंक, हाउ दे डू दीज एक्टिविटीज इन द बैंक. Now whatever I explained right now and whatever I explained yesterday, please see, go through the videos very carefully, and after that whatever problem you have, you can ask, whatever query you have, you can ask in the next live lecture on Saturday between 11:15 to 12. Thank you.